Hi everyone! So regarding doon sa registration of your establishment sa online system ng Department of Labor and Employment, first thing foremost is dapat magkaroon po kayo ng user account. Okay? So doon sa user account, when you log in or when you open the website, the reports.dola.gov.ph, so you will be asked either you log in or you sign up. So click sign up and a sign up page will appear. So, ano yung mga required sa signing up? So, mayroon dong question either, are you a new user or you have an ERS account? So, if you don't have the ERS account yet, so you have to fill up the form. First thing foremost is you select the region. So, saan region po ba kayo? Region 1, Region 2, Region 3. So, kung saan region kayo. Then, of course, your first name. So, it's either the name of the employer or the name of the representative of the company. So, first name and the last name. Then, you have your email address. Okay, so this is the email address of the company as much as possible. Then, you have to put your password. Then, click sign up. Okay, so that's it. Para magkaroon po kayo ng user access doon sa ating reports.dole.gov.ph. Thank you!